Monroe County Emergency Services is hoping to extinguish retention problems with a new incentive. They're addressing a shortage of firefighters by covering the cost of in-house training for recruits and paying them by the hour. Jasmine Lee shares why program organizers are hoping the pay heats up their job prospects.
Reckon I'm about 250 feet, Your Honor.
This is a normal training day during drills for fire recruit Cole Daniel. Checking his hoses and making sure he can get out of a fire without vision if he falls into a bad situation.
I've always had a knack for helping people.
And he knows best. He has a legacy of family firefighters. To become a full-time firefighter, you need to go through hours of training to get certified, and it's not uncommon for recruits' training courses to cost around $8,000. But to lower costs and keep firefighters around, Monroe Emergency Services is starting to train in-house.
We want our new employees to know that we're willing to invest in them, just like they're going to be investing in us.
Captain Christina Bramlett said the training is free and recruits will get paid hourly, starting with 10 weeks of basic training and an additional 10 weeks for EMT certification to become an official responder. Daniel says he's wanted to make an impact on the community for years and took the initiative to help save lives.
The challenges that get put in front of me, the challenges that I get to face every day, to be able to help these people.
Instructor Philip Buckner says population growth has played a big factor in why the county needs more first responders. He says firefighter shortages are impacting departments all across the country.
Georgia is currently one of the only few states around that still offers free training. If you go down to Florida, you have to pay for your college degree to go in and get the fire training that you have.
The department requires recruits to have a clean criminal history and a great work ethic to be considered for the training. Reporting in Monroe County, Jasmine Lee, 13 WMAZ News.
Well, right now, 10 recruits are going through Monroe County's program. Captain Bramlett says they also started classes for people who want to volunteer on the front lines. In the past, Monroe County recruited volunteer firefighters to battle the shortages that you just heard about. It's not uncommon for departments to do that. Nationwide, of the more than 1 million firefighters, 65% of them are volunteers. That's according to the National Volunteer Fire Council. And of the 29,000 fire departments around the country, 19,000 of them are run completely by volunteers. Those numbers are dwindling, though, compared to decades ago. The number of volunteers dropped by 25% from 1984 to 2020. The U.S. Fire Administration says the main factors are time demands, increased training requirements, and in some cases, poor leadership.